Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. If you're new, welcome. And if you are a returning investie bestie, returning subscriber, thank y'all so much for coming back. I do appreciate it. If you're new, you know I have to do my intro. My name is Shalise. I'm a 40-year-old mama, wife, and worker bee, and an investor. So that means I'm not a financial advisor. I'm not a fiduciary, but I am an investor. I'm in the trenches, buying and holding, building up shares, building up the portfolio. I just happen to make YouTube videos documenting our journey. So hope that you will subscribe and like and leave me a comment down below. So I got a really exciting video for you all today. Okay, it's been a long one coming, but before I get to what I really am excited about, I wanted to share with you a major SCHD update. So if you don't know, I have been talking about SCHD for a couple of years now on the channel, just building up our share sizes through the thick and the thin, when the markets were up, when the markets were down, showing the portfolio, and even like during the splits, made videos about it, talked about our plans, adjusting our plans. And so in today's video, I wanted to share with you guys a new milestone that we achieved with SCHD. So we now have 1,700 shares of SCHD. Our goal is 2,000 shares. So, you know, like I said before, I'm not in a rush, but man, like 2,000 shares is like right there. And so with the ETF price, you know, reasonable, about 30 bucks, let's just say, like I'm kind of thinking like, do I want to put any bonus money or something to that? So, I don't know. I'm feeling excited about it. Like, do I want to just get to these 2,000 shares or build up the NVIDIA? So I told you guys, my husband, he's big into tech. He likes NVIDIA, and we have about 75 shares. You'll see the screenshot. And so we're close to 100 shares there as well. So I'm not sure what we'll do. But I just wanted to give you guys an update. Like, yeah, we got to 1,700 shares of SCHD. Now that may be a lot to some of you, that may be a little bit to some of you, but to us, we've been working hard, grinding. We've been really trying to, you know, manage our money well so that we can put our money into the market, put our money into assets. Because look, since the election, the markets have been on like just a tear, right? I mean, record levels. Anybody who has an investment account probably saw green in their accounts, even when it's like a red day or two. I mean, just overall, the markets have been doing great. And let me just do a quick portfolio update while I have you right here, because I haven't did one in a minute. So you will see our Fidelity account right there. Vanguard, you will see up on your screen as well. Robinhood, and let me do one more. Interactive Broker. So that's 4 accounts, right? That's not even the HSAs. That's about 37,000. But I want to do a separate update video on HSAs and health savings account because I've been getting some questions about that. I try to do those types of videos once or twice a year because not much change with our HSA. We're talking about what, 655 some odd $1,000. Just those 4 accounts, not savings, not our 4 homes, not paid off cars, not our kids. Just investments, just to show you guys, like, look, it works. Buy and hold. I don't do any options or nothing. I don't know how, number one. And I've tried the whole getting in and out of stocks, and it's just not for me. And I realized, like Warren Buffett, I don't have to do that. Just buying into good companies. If the company changed, sell my position, put it in another company or ETF, and just build up my share size and go live my life. Because, you know, I'm a busy woman. Leave me a comment down below, all of my SCHD investors, because, you know, we have a tribe over here. Let me know where you are currently, like what your plans are. If you haven't bought any, like what your plans on buying it, what your next payday, which I believe most of us get paid on Friday because the 15th is on a Saturday. So let me know what you guys are looking at. Even if it's not SCHD, like what are you looking to purchase? Because again, we want to be consistent. So speaking of that, I wanted to show you guys my 2025 investment planner that comes with a spreadsheet workbook. So you guys, especially a lot of the beginners, have been asking me this for months. Is there something that I could create for a beginner to help them to become consistent, to help them to see that investing smartly and patiently does work, and something that they can use to track? So I put my mind to work 37 hours 37 hours. I went to a local professional printing company, not Staples, but a local professional printing company so that they can print the book for me and so that you guys can see it. So I am going to do or show you guys a clip right now of like a flip through of this. You're also going to see the spreadsheet, and then we're going to come back and I'm going to close out the video. Let's do a quick walkthrough, okay? This will look the same way in the digital, just without the cover, of course, and the coil is digital. You can download it, etc. But this is the book, 2025 Investment Planner, that I created. Some copyright information. This is the only color in this workbook, okay? It's black and white. I wanted it to look sleek. I wanted it to look professional. I wanted it to look like something you were using to build your wealth, okay? I didn't want a whole lot of distractions. I wanted you to focus on the task at hand, okay? This workbook is going to make you work. It's going to make you think. If you want to be consistent like me, if you want to stay focused like me, this is going to help you. This is my brain and a book for beginners. You got your table of contents. There's 4 chapters. This is chapter 1, all about investment planning. There's a 2025 calendar. These are all the dates when the stock market will close and when it will close early. Financial self-reflection. You're going to see several videos that I'm going to post using my book, and I'm going to do some financial reflections, etc. But there's one in here for you. What is investment planning? What is FIRE? Investing do's and don'ts. A lot of things I learned over the last decade. Some investing 101 information here, just as a reference, especially if you're a beginner. Some terminology here, like what are mutual funds? What is the SEC, etc. Stock market sectors. This is the 2025 Financial Vision Board. I will be making a video about this. Your word of the year, your goals for your investments. I'm just moving this up. Investments, dividends, net worth, and income. I will be making a video about this. Retirement reference guide. I'm going to do some flip throughs of this. Retirement accounts 101s, your retirement plan. Again, you're going to see many videos with me using this book. 401k challenge, Roth IRA challenge. Even if you cannot max it out, you can do maybe your team 5,000 for the 401k, etc. And I have all of the contribution limits right there for you. The investing challenge, I've been doing this for the last couple years on my channel. 100K portfolio tracker. I'm going to be using this to build 100K in Robinhood. So stay tuned for that video, but you can track your first 100K. Then chapter 2 is monthly portfolio tracking. So I combine all of my books into one. Okay. So this is over 130 pages. Okay. 130 pages. Monthly financial review. Did you budget? Did you save? Did you invest? Did you pay off debt? Monthly investing plan. I make videos about this. So you have 3, and then every quarter you check in. Every quarter you check in, and I ask you questions like, did you review your investment statements? If not, go ahead and review those. And then at the end, quarterly portfolio tracking. This is not net worth. I do have a net worth tracker, but all of your cash, CDs, savings, investments, retirements, maybe a rental property, crypto, metals, whatever it is, you're going to track it every quarter here. Stock share builder. This is one of my popular trackers that you guys like. Just track your share sizes. Track. Okay, it's so important. You have 2 of these challenges in here, so I want you to pick 2. I'm going to use for 2025 SCHD. I want to get 100 shares, and NVIDIA. I want to get 100 shares. So that's what I'm going to use for, 2025. Initial stock buy list. I love this because you can actually keep track of when you first bought into stocks, and you can see your growth over time. This is a stock fund watch list. So what are you watching for once you complete your share size goal? What are you going to move to next? This is a stock research and fund center. So I give you the questions. All you got to do is go find the answers. Google is a great resource. So important to do your research. Investing in REITs, a page here. You can track all of your REITs there. And then a portfolio accounts tracker. Chapter 3 is dividend investing and tracking. So I combined my books, quarterly dividend goals, monthly dividend tracking, dividend payment schedule. So let's say you have a goal of getting $50 in realty income. You can track it every month until you get to your $50 goal. And then January dividend report. Again, I just combined all of my books. I'm just going to do a quick flip through so you can see. And then we are finished. I have a little congratulations note here. I'm so proud of you. You tracked all year. You see me tracking. We're doing this together. We're getting to our goals, okay? And then a 2025 dividend summary, total dividends earned, account that had the most dividends,
etc. Best paying month, worst paying month, best paying stock, etc. And then chapter 4 is wealth creation and preservation. And we have a quick reference guide here. This is your wealth preservation checklist so that you can go through who has your essential documents, where are your documents at. You will be surprised. Many people don't know. Who can serve as your beneficiary or executor, have their information here. What about funeral plans, cremation? Do you want your minister involved? Like, all of the information is here. Generational wealth checklist. I want you to check your credit twice a year, all of your insurance documents, any credit report errors. Where's your bank? The username and passwords. This is also great if you have a spouse or a partner. A lot of times they don't know, so you want to make sure they know. Net worth, of course, all of your assets. So let's say your asset is your checking account, which is an asset. The asset type is cash because it's liquid. And where is it located? Then, of course, your liabilities, the debt. Let's say it's the car. Creditor is Honda. Interest rate 10%. Balance $30,000. Minimum payment $600. Again, it's just keeping tracking. Net worth tracking. Again, each quarter, I put some information in here already for you. But again, you can go ahead and fill that out. Then all about real estate. We have bought 4 homes, so we know a little something about it. I did film our recent purchase right outside of Charleston. I did a vlog. We did buy that in cash, so I'll have it linked below. But yeah, I love real estate. This is just some saving trackers, like saving for your down payment, closing costs, moving costs, home emergency, because let me tell you, something will go wrong. We just spent $700 cutting down trees on a property in South Carolina. So yeah, it is real. Investing for your kids, the different types of accounts, a tracker, savings tracker, and an investing tracker. And then lastly, 2025 financial summary. So how much did you invest across all of your accounts, total amount saved, how many sources of income, etc. Your highest paying month, lowest paying month. I mean, it's all right there. So again, you didn't see a single notes page because, again, I tried to think of everything that a beginner would need to know, or even an advanced person. With this, again, you're going to get the spreadsheet, but you're also going to get a pen. This is a beautiful black velvet pouch. Let me just move that to the side so that you can see. Take it out. This is your pen. I can't give you a physical book without a pen. Now, this is only for physical books. Digital, you have the files you download. There's no pen with it. You're going to get that. You're also going to get a personalized bookmark. This is Christy. You've probably seen her in my comment section. You get a personalized note from me. Again, if you get the physical book. And this is a good, look, this is a good bookmark. You're going to get an extra magnetic bookmark. This can hold up to 5 pages in this book. So again, help you to stay focused. You're going to get a little sticker because I like stickers, a thank you card from myself, my business card, of course, and shipped priority mail. I don't have the label on here because that's private information. But again, you will see all of that. And with that, I'm going to show you the spreadsheet you'll get either with the physical book or the digital. So let me go over there now. Hey guys, so here is the spreadsheet. So there's 3 tabs in the spreadsheet workbook. Again, you will get this with the physical planner and the digital planner as well. So whichever one you decide to get, it's the same spreadsheet. So this is the retirement tracking center, like projections and projected income sources. This is a simple stock spreadsheet. I will do a full tutorial on this if you purchase the book. So you'll see my face. I'll walk you through it, play around with it so that you can see. Again, this is very easy. You can have a graph here so that you can see the sectors. And then this is another tab that you'll get. This is just investment portfolio tracking your contributions to your checking account, savings, employer sponsored. Again, I've been getting so many requests to put together an investment planner and an easy investment spreadsheet. So you're getting the planner and 3 investment spreadsheet tabs in this workbook. So I hope that you guys really enjoy it. Again, I tried to think of everything that I wish I would have had as a beginner. So again, thank you so much for your support. Thank you to those who have already purchased, and I'll head back to the video to close it out. See you over there.
All right, guys, so we are back. So I hope that you guys like the book. I really tried to make it like neat and formatted well and easy for beginners. I hope you like the spreadsheets. I've been getting a lot of requests to create a spreadsheet or spreadsheets for beginners. So I sat down at the computer and just started putting my brain to work. So I hope that you guys really like those. Again, I know several of you already got your orders in. Thank you to my email group, dividend group. So again, I hope that you enjoyed today's video. It was a little longer, but it was a good one. So again, guys, thank you so much for watching. And until next time, wait a minute. We're almost at 25,000 subscribers. So I need y'all help. Share the channel, share the video. If you know anyone who just want to see a regular person invest, document their journey consistently, showing you real numbers, share the channel, because I really, really do appreciate like all of you. Seriously, I do. So again, guys, thank you so much. And until next time, you already know, I'll see you in my next video. And my dividend video for October will be out Monday. So I hope to see you there in that one. Bye-bye.